Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3,650 watt RV ready wireless remote start generator with CO Shield. Perfect for recreational use with your RV, providing power for your next project, or for emergency backup power around the house. Start the generator electrically with the easy to use 3-way toggle switch, or use the wireless remote to start and stop your unit from up to 80 feet away. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. And it's got enough power to run your essential household appliances during a power outage. And for added protection, this generator utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the generator. Connect the battery. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. Start the unit manually, electrically using the easy-to-use toggle switch, or from up to 80 feet away using the wireless remote. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 3,650 watt RV ready wireless remote start generator with CO Shield. Innovation, power, and dependability.